Welcome back to another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm Satoli. This morning we're in central Ohio where I found this old Phantom Bridge out in the middle of a field. Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. Before we talk about this old bridge, let's talk about what defines a ghost road and a phantom bridge. A ghost road is a roadway that was once owned or is currently owned by the county. This road originally carried traffic on a daily basis, but over the years, the county may have chosen to no longer maintain the road or close it completely. The road may now be private property or could still be owned by the county. A phantom bridge is a span that was once used on a daily basis to cross a body of water, such as a stream or a creek. A phantom bridge is always located on a ghost road and can be one of the ultimate finds during a road tour. Phantom bridges were usually bypassed after the current roadway was realigned. A phantom bridge can usually be located near a bridge currently in use. A good way to spot phantom bridges is to look left and right when crossing a bridge. Sometimes these bridges may be up to 100 yards up or downstream from the current bridge location. Now that we know about ghost roads and phantom bridges, let's take a look at this old bridge. Built in 1904 by the Massillon Bridge Company of Massillon, Ohio, this Pratt Through Truss Bridge is 90 feet long and spans the east fork of Paint Creek. This one-lane bridge was obviously a county road bridge at one time. It is reported that at some point it was replaced and moved to this farm access road to be used by the local landowner. There is no record of when or how it was moved, but it was definitely needed for crossing this creek. The weeds are starting to take over the structure, and it doesn't look like the bridge is getting much use anymore. Another piece of American history hidden in the brush. Thanks for watching another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. Today we were in central Ohio at this old Phantom Bridge. Hope you enjoyed the show, and remember, travel slowly and stop often. See you next time. Bye.